This is a demonstration to the battery tag system. Here's my setup. So I have a robot here that power the ESP32. I also have a can. Connected to this ESP32 using TJA1050 transceiver. This is just a serial console that I use to debug the ESP32, as we are not attached to Arduino IDE at this moment. So how this works is we have our robot. This is the components on the robot. We had our Mafia Classic 1K card, and we had our Android phone. Now before we use our tag, we need to initialize our Mafia tag. So we use NFC tool, go to others, and hit erase tag. Then we attach the phone to the tag to erase our RFID tag. Next step, we're gonna initialize our tag using battery check application. So we attach our phone, and they're gonna say invalid JSON. This is normal. We're gonna hit initialize new, and we're gonna give this battery a serial number. Say let's put a 003 and hit OK. And now this battery is initialized and can be used on the robot. Now sometimes before we put the battery onto the robot, we need to charge it. To add a charge record, we just tap our phone to the tag and hit charged, and they're gonna add a charged record to the battery and also increment the charge count. So now our battery is prepared. We could put our Android phone aside, and we could place the card on the reader. In reality, this will be the reader battery holder. This is a FRC 522. And now we can turn on our power. So I have a bench power supply that power my robot reel. I'm gonna turn it on. We will see some serial console. So once power on, you could see card reader already had data from the battery, and they write an initial placeholder to the battery. You see the serial number is A003, which I catch it here. And now if we tap the card, you could see data from the reader is added. Now let's put it back. So our robot reel had come online, and it read the robot status as disabled. Now let's enable our robot and disable it. Every time we disable our robot, it's gonna write the it's gonna update that usage log to the card. So across different disable, every time we disable, you're gonna update the log. And now, if we tap our card, you can see date and time is now accurate because RoboReel provide date and time and voltage to the reader. And also on Smart Dashboard, you could see the serial number and cycle count of the battery. Now let's pretend we power cycle the robot. So let me just power cycle the robot. We could at this moment, a new record has been written. And let's just wait for RoboReel to come online. And let me enable it. Record updated. And now you could see a new record number 3 on the card. Now I just happen to have another battery tag. If I put it on the radar and power cycle the robot, you could see the serial numbers updated. See the serial numbers AK, and later on Smart Dashboard will update once robot will come online. Just give it a moment. Alright, we have something. See, our serial number is updated. And we use the robot. Now if we tap our card, a new usage record is created. So that's how the system works. Hope you like it.